Welcome to our tutorial on loading CSV files in Python with pandas. Step 1. Importing pandas. First, we need to import the pandas library. In your Python script or Jupyter notebook, you can do this with the following command: import pandas spd. Step 2. Loading the CSV file. Next, we'll use the read_CSV function from pandas to load the CSV file into a data frame. Here's how you can do it: df equals pd read_CSV file.csv. If the CSV file is in the same directory as your Python script or notebook, you can simply provide the file name. Example, file.csv. If the CSV file is located in a different directory, you need to provide the full path to the file. Example, /path/file.csv.